What's your name?
My name is Forte.
My name is Elle. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What class are you in? I'm in IEP 3/2.
I'm in MLP 3B.
MLP? Wow! What do you learn?
I learn English, Science, Math, Phonics. Play I learn Integration and STEAM with native teacher.
Cool! I learn English, Math, Science. Play learn with foreign teachers too.
Do you have Chinese, swimming, music, dance, reading, and outdoor activities?
Yes, we do the same. Hey, have you been to a Siberian zoo trip?
Yes, and we also fed the fish. Our school is happy, friendly, and fun to learn. Come and learn with us. You have so much fun. Yay!